In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a brand new ergonomic office chair from Odinlake. And I'm looking forward to setting up this chair because if you've been following my channel, you know that I recently moved and I didn't get to bring my old chair over to this new apartment. So I'm glad that after a few months, I finally got an ergonomic chair. It's always a good investment to have a chair like this. It helps with productivity and it's good for your overall wellness. Before we get started setting up this chair and going over all the features, I gotta give you guys my disclaimer that this chair was given to me for free to do a review. This is not a paid video. I'm not gonna record the entire process of setting this chair up because I want to get this done really fast and I don't want to worry about the YouTube video, how it looks. That's very distracting, you know, always checking the camera, making sure that shot came out good, making sure everything was in focus. I will say right now, I'm not that big of a fan of the wheels. I will probably replace the wheels. I like it when they have like scooter wheels, the ones that are bigger, and they're very smooth when you roll it around. Now the chair is set up and everything was pretty easy to set up. All you really got to do is put the wheels in, screw some things, and flip it over, and that's it. Now let's talk about some of the features. On the top of the chair, you can adjust the neck. You can tilt it forward and backwards, and you can also lift it up or down. That comes in handy if you're pretty tall, which I am not, so I'm going to keep it low. The armrest is also adjustable. That can go up and down, and you can kind of tilt it left or right. And on the right hand side, you got the lever to raise the chair up or to lower it down. Right next to that lever is a switch that allows you to move the seat cushion forward or backwards. And on the left hand side, you got a lever that lets you lock in the recliner position so you can lean forward or lean backwards. And you can increase the tightness with this dial on the front. But if you want to lie backwards, like in a reclining position, then you got to loosen up this dial right here, and then you can do that and then lock it into place with this lever. And my favorite feature of the chair is that it has a built-in footrest. So it pops out right here. You gotta go like that, and then you can adjust it a little bit. After I'm done with work, I can lean backwards, I can kick my feet up, and I can play a game or enjoy a movie. So I've been using this chair for 3 days now, for multiple hours a day, and overall it's been a comfortable experience. The seat cushion is at that balance of not too soft, not too hard. It's breathable, which comes in handy because this place gets a little bit hot. I like that the neck is adjustable. That's been coming in handy. And as I said before, and I can't say it enough, I love the built-in footrest. That is my absolute favorite feature. I've never seen an office chair with that feature before. The wheels on this chair right now, they're not bad. I just like the scooter wheels that are on Amazon. They move around better and they don't damage the floor. Also, one last thing, this chair does not have lumbar support. You know, it doesn't have that pillow in the back. Again, that's not a deal breaker. You can always get your own pillow for your back. It does feel good to have a back pillow. My last chair had one, and I do feel like it's missing a little bit. So I might end up just getting one just because I feel like I need it, even though I don't need it. I know some people, they look for that. They look for the back pillow. So this chair doesn't have it, but Odinlake has other chairs that do have it. In fact, there's a cheaper model, a $300 model, and that one looks really good. That one is white and gray. That one has lumbar support. That one has pretty much all the same features, only without the footrest. I highly recommend this chair, but I also recommend that $300 one. I think that one might be a good choice for anyone that's looking for something a little bit more budget friendly. You can get this chair on odinlake.com, or you can check my video description. I will have a link over there too. And as always, if you have any questions, you can leave in the comments below. I will get back to you, or you can reach out to me on Instagram or on TikTok.